guys, I want to try and keep it as simple as I can. Bitcoin is, from what I gather, Bitcoin is a transaction system. So a transaction system that uses a bunch of computers that run as a network. So they basically connect to each other in a network to become bookkeepers or verifiers of a transaction. Now, that transaction is stored on that network in a block. Now, within that block contains encrypted data of the transaction. So one person swapped Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin for an ice cream, let's just say. So all that information is compiled into a block and is encrypted and is stored on the blockchain forever. So it can't be taken away. It's always on the blockchain. That's why people are saying, Bitcoin is for criminals to use it to, do drug deals and stuff like that. Look, guys, everything is stored on the blockchain. So it's not as though it's completely untraceable, because it's there. And the whole purpose that it does hold some value is that it is stored there. So that's the reason for it. So I doubt people are going and doing, criminal transactions within the blockchain, within the Bitcoin blockchain. But that's basically the way that that Bitcoin blockchain works. So it's basically a transaction record of a transaction that's taken place on a network of computers, which is like around the world. So all these computers are based around the world. Now, guys, if I'm going to just scratch the surface, that would be my explanation for it, to keep it as simple as I can. It's what I've learned. That is the basis of Bitcoin blockchain. So it's a transactional record. It's an unchangeable, immutable transactional record, and there is other blockchains as well, guys. There is other blockchains. So other blockchains have different features. So obviously Bitcoin was one of the first ones created, but after that has come blockchains like Ethereum. Another one's called Polkadot. There's Cardano. There's a lot of different blockchains that have been created after Bitcoin, and like with anything else from other things that have been created after an original, their changes are made, usually for the better. So someone's obviously taken that technology or that system and created, like Ethereum in particular, has taken that transactional system and created a larger spectrum of tools and uses for that particular blockchain. It has smart contracts. It has contracts can be uploaded onto the network and verified, and all sorts of stuff, guys. There is mining and stuff like that. So crypto mining is different. Crypto mining is part of the bookkeeping process. So if I'm talking about Bitcoin again, as far as the mining is concerned, Bitcoin miners use their computers, basically their hardware, paired with obviously Bitcoin software, to mine the Bitcoin and basically verify that block. So any transactions that are lumped in that block, the miners come in, they use the hardware on their computer to mine each block, and the process of mining is actually using their computer software to crack an algorithm that is placed in the block by the creator of the block. It's called a cryptographic hash, and they hash that block, which means the block has been verified, and then it's stored on the blockchain network, and the miner actually receives a reward and transaction fees for that particular block. So yeah, which is another thing within itself. I won't go into that today, but that's my my little simplified version of Bitcoin and blockchains that I wanted to let you guys know. And yeah, look, it's probably as I said, it's probably a bit hard to understand on the surface, but I did the best I can to sort of break it down, and I really have just scratched the surface with that one. But I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I hope you, if you're going to invest in Bitcoin, or some sort of cryptocurrency, just do a bit of research in the background and make sure you know what you're investing in. There's a lot of other coins or cryptos, you know, that are in the space, guys. They're actually fake, and they're going to fail. They're literally nothing. So don't be fooled by the hype, and make sure you do your research before investing in crypto. And you know, if you are going to invest in crypto, you know, you do it the smart way, and do some research. As with any other investment, you know, you should always do research prior to just handing over cash, guys. So all good, guys. Look, I hope that was educational for you, and look, I'll keep uploading videos, and you know, I might talk more about Bitcoins, but I don't want to go too far into it, because it's got the ability to turn your brain into mush as well. All right, guys, thanks.